Bytes and Learning. I'm Moya Collins, I'm your host, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about data representation, how data represents information using bytes. They do this by representing them in ones and zero using a binary system. So, first, what is binary system? We all know what binary system is, to do with the ones and the zeros. So you could have let's say a switch to a bulb could has just two sides, on and off. So for the on it could be one, for the off it could be zero. So for for a bit is saves just one character, or don't say one number, one number, just one. But for a byte it saves 8 of those bits. So you could have 0 1 0 1 0 1 and then 0 1. So 8 of those bits make one byte, while for the byte it only saves one character, either a 0 or a 1.